Welcome to Inside Human Biology. This video is created purely for educational and informational purposes and fully follows YouTube's medical, scientific, and safety guidelines. Did you know that before a baby is born, a single organ does the job of the lungs, kidneys, digestive system, immune protection, and hormonal support? This incredible organ is the placenta, the true life support system of the developing baby. The placenta is a fascinating and complex organ that begins to form very soon after a fertilized egg implants into the uterine wall. It's a temporary organ, meaning it grows specifically for the pregnancy and is delivered after the baby is born. The placenta connects the developing baby to the mother through the umbilical cord. Think of it as the ultimate bridge between two lives. It is the sole source of oxygen, all the necessary nutrients, and critical hormonal control. It also provides essential protection against infections. Without a healthy, functioning placenta, a pregnancy simply cannot continue. It is the foundation upon which new life is built. Inside the womb, the fetus is surrounded by amniotic fluid and cannot breathe air. Its lungs are developing but are not yet functional for respiration. So, how does the baby get oxygen? This is where the placenta steps in, acting exactly like the baby's lungs. The mother breathes in, and oxygen-rich blood travels to her uterus. At the placental barrier, oxygen molecules diffuse from the mother's blood into the baby's blood, which then circulates through the umbilical cord to the fetus. At the same time, waste products like carbon dioxide, which the baby produces, travel back from the fetus to the placenta and diffuse into the mother's bloodstream. She then simply exhales it. This constant, silent exchange of gases is one of the most critical life support functions the placenta performs, ensuring the baby has a steady supply of oxygen every second of every day. Now, let's talk about nutrition. A growing baby needs a constant supply of fuel and building blocks, but it can't eat or digest food in the traditional sense. Once again, the placenta takes on the role, this time as the baby's personal digestive system and gourmet chef. Everything the mother eats and drinks is broken down into basic nutrients in her bloodstream. The placenta then actively transports these vital substances to the baby. This includes glucose for energy, amino acids to build proteins, fatty acids for brain and organ development, plus all the necessary vitamins, minerals, and water. It's an incredibly efficient and intelligent system. The placenta doesn't just passively let things through, it selects and delivers exactly what the baby needs for healthy growth, literally feeding the baby like a perfect biological machine. Just as a baby needs nutrients, it also produces waste. Inside the womb, the fetus produces metabolic waste products like urea, uric acid, and creatinine. If these substances were to build up, they would become toxic. The baby's kidneys are still maturing and are yet capable of filtering its own blood effectively. So, the placenta performs this function, acting as the baby's kidneys. The waste-filled blood from the fetus flows through the umbilical cord to the placenta. Here, these waste products are filtered out and transferred into the mother's bloodstream. Her own powerful kidneys then take over, filtering the waste from her blood and excreting it through her urine. This process is remarkably similar to medical dialysis, where a machine filters a patient's blood. It's another one of the placenta's amazing, non-stop life support functions. Beyond filtering and feeding, the placenta is also a major endocrine powerhouse, acting as a temporary hormone factory. It produces several crucial hormones that are essential for maintaining a healthy pregnancy. One of the first it produces is human chorionic gonadotropin, or HCG. This is the hormone detected in pregnancy tests, and its main job is to tell the body to keep producing progesterone, which prevents menstruation and maintains the uterine lining. As the pregnancy progresses, the placenta takes over progesterone production itself, helping to keep the uterus relaxed and stable. It also produces estrogens, which support fetal development, and a unique hormone called human placental lactogen, which helps manage the mother's metabolism to ensure the baby gets enough nutrients. These hormones work in a beautiful symphony to keep the pregnancy safe and on track. A developing baby's immune system is immature and not yet ready to fight off infections on its own. The placenta provides a brilliant solution by acting as both a shield and a supplier of immunity. It transfers protective antibodies from the mother directly to the baby. Specifically, it allows a type of antibody called immunoglobulin G, or IgG, to cross the placental barrier. These maternal antibodies provide the baby with what's called passive immunity, protecting it from various illnesses that the mother is already immune to. This protection lasts for several months after birth, giving the baby's own immune system time to mature. The placenta also acts as a physical barrier, blocking many, though not all, harmful bacteria and viruses from reaching the fetus. It's a biological shield, guarding the vulnerable life within. The secret to the placenta's many functions lies in its unique structure, often called the placental barrier. This isn't a solid wall, but a complex, multi-layered interface where the mother's and baby's blood supplies come into very close contact without ever mixing. This barrier is semi-permeable, meaning it's highly selective about what it allows to pass through. It's designed to facilitate the transport of essential substances like oxygen, water, and nutrients from mother to baby, and to allow waste products to travel in the opposite direction. At the same time, it works to block many harmful substances, like certain toxins, drugs, and pathogens. The integrity of this barrier is absolutely essential for protecting the fetus and ensuring its healthy development. It's a masterful piece of biological engineering. So, why do doctors and scientists refer to the placenta as a complete life support system? It's because this one temporary organ performs the duties of multiple vital organs simultaneously. It acts as the lungs, providing oxygen and removing carbon dioxide. It functions as the digestive system and liver, delivering all nutrients. It serves as the kidneys, filtering out toxic waste. It operates as an endocrine gland, producing the hormones that sustain the pregnancy. And it provides immune protection, shielding the baby from harm. It performs all these roles tirelessly until the moment of birth, when the baby's own organs are ready to take over and function independently in the outside world. It truly is the unsung hero of pregnancy. To put it all together, in every single second of pregnancy, the placenta is working to keep the baby alive and well. It is an all-in-one life support machine that manages oxygen supply, nutrition, waste removal, hormonal balance, immune defense, and even helps regulate the baby's temperature. It is a remarkable example of nature's ingenuity. No other temporary organ in the human body is known to perform so many diverse and life-saving roles. The placenta is, without a doubt, one of the most incredible and essential components of human life. Thank you for watching this educational video from Inside Human Biology. If you found it helpful, please like and share it. And if you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments. We always reply. For more complete, in-depth videos on human biology and pregnancy, visit our YouTube channel, Inside Human Biology.